Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will know something new. In today's videos I am going to tell you about one website which will help you to remove some unwanted object from your picture. I mean, if you are not familiar with the Photoshop or any other software which you can use and remove the images or remove any object from one images, then this website is best for you. Let's get started. Okay, the website name is cleanup.pictures. This is the website, and guys, I'm telling you, this is the best website for the people who don't know about Adobe Photoshop. So basically it's all the detail on the website. First page, you can see how to remove the people from a photo. Here's the examples. So okay, I will show you one demo. Okay, if you have any picture from your PC, you can just drag and drop here, or you just click here and select the picture. Okay, I will select any random picture. Okay, I select this one. And the best part is it will not reduce the picture quality. It will give you the same quality after removing the object. Okay, if I don't want this folk here and I don't know how to use Photoshop, and even if I know also Photoshop, it's also a bit difficult for me to remove it, but this website make it very easy. So simply you can adjust the size here. Okay, you can make it smaller or you can make it very big. Okay, so accordingly to the object you can scale it. Okay, so I want this size. Just hold the left click and drag on the object which you want to remove. Okay, then just leave it and you will see the magic. You see, the object is removed. Okay, if I remove this also, you just make it green which object you want to remove. That's all. Okay, see, it's how professional it is. So after that you can just download the image. Just click on download and save on the desktop. Okay, let's see. This is the picture. So nobody can judge whether you know Photoshop or not. It's done very perfectly. So hope guys you like my video. So before you leave the video, kindly subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thank you.